In this video, I'm going to be repairing the door on my Maytag dryer. Now this is a Bravos XL model dryer, but it's probably fairly similar for most Maytag dryers. So as you can see, the door does not close, and in this case, it is the door catch that is the culprit. So the door catch is this piece here, and you can see that if I touch it with my finger, it flops back and forth and doesn't return to the center. Because this door can be reversed to open the opposite direction, they've put two catches on it, and you can see that this one bounces back. So there's something wrong with the one that is on the latch side. So before I remove it, I'm just going to put some tape on the dryer, and I'm just doing this to protect the finish of the dryer so that it doesn't get scratched when I remove the door catch. So for this, I'm just using a flathead screwdriver, although if you have something thinner, it would probably be beneficial. So all you need to do is push down on the top of the door catch and pop out the top, and then push up on the bottom and remove it. And that's what it looks like, and you can see that there's nothing preventing this from flopping back and forth. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side of the door, and you may need to buy one of these door catches if your door doesn't have two of them. I was just lucky. So again, I'll put some tape on, and I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver again on the bottom to pop it out, and then on the top, pressing down and pulling out to pop it out of place. If I were to do this again, I'd probably use something a little thinner, like a drywall putty knife. Even this small flathead screwdriver was a little bit difficult to get in behind the door catch. And you can see there's a piece of black plastic that holds these things in place and allows the door catch to be recentered. So there's the broken one and the good one side by side. To put them back in, it is super simple. All you do is slide into place and push it in firmly until you can feel the door catch click into place within the door. So because I'm doing a voiceover, you didn't hear the click, but I assure you there was a very satisfying click when it went in. And just so it looks symmetrical, I'm going to put the broken one in the unused side. And now it looks like there was never a broken door to begin with. So the door closes and stays shut without any issue. Anyway, this is an easy job. Anyone can do it, and it only takes a couple minutes. Thanks for checking out my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.